Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I just wanted to share a quick haul of some crafty items that I've picked up from a couple different locations. The first ones that I picked up, someone on my neighborhood app posted that they had some free scrapbooking stickers, and I was lucky enough to be able to go and pick them up. So I'll quickly go through these. These are a lot of older ones, and it's so funny because I have some pieces that belong to a lot of these sticker sets. So this is like an old Target brand, this cute girly one, and then there's this like football, and this is like a travel theme one, like super cute. And this is a camping one. And this is like a summer vacation, the great outdoors. This is a K & Company Happy Trails. I do have other stuff from them. This is the sea glass, and I actually do have stuff from this collection as well. And this is an old Target one, and I have ephemera pieces that matches these. Here's like a family themed one. I think I have a paper head that goes to this. And I have ephemera that goes to this. And this is just some words. And then this cute one. And I think I have a paper kit that goes to this for making memories. So pick these all up. That was very generous of her. I got those all for free. And hopefully I'll be able to put them to good use. And then I did take a quick trip over to Hobby Lobby just to check out what they had. And I was able to find these really cute like cactus charms. And they have pretty decent sized jump rings. I just used pear pins to put them on projects, but they were only $1.99. And there's quite a few of them on here. 8 pieces, so that's good. And then I picked up these packages of these mini stars for Happy Mail and for like shakers because they're really small and lightweight. So I did get 2 of those. And then I went to, it's called Deseret Industries. It's like an LDS Goodwill. And I found this really cool tag punch. It's huge, but I love tags. There's 3 different sizes, and this is an oldie, but it's a goodie. And this was only $2, so definitely excited to add that to my punch collection. I tested it out. It punches great, so pick that up. And then from Pick Your Plum, which is like an online company, I have actually gotten stuff from them before. But anyway, they had these really cute popcorn boxes. And what I've done with them in the past is I just cut off the bottom part and I use it in my journals for these like big pockets. And they're really like heavy duty, so they work really well. But these are the polka dot set, and it's multicolored, so there's different colors in there. And these were only $1. And then I also picked up the striped ones, and there's also multicolors in there, and that also was $1. Picked up is, it's like I have to take off my camera to show you, but up here on my IKEA unit, I picked up this amazing paper organizer. Now I have a big giant one under my other desk, but this is for 8.5 by 11 paper. And it's made of like heavy duty particle board, so it's built really nice. I could put lots of stuff on top. And I spent the night organizing all of my 8.5 by 11 paper. And in this bottom one, I have, these are all the hot buys that Michael's, I don't know if they still sell it, but they used to sell these hot buys. So this is all those papers. And then in here I have felt and glitter 8.5 by 11. And then these are all like paper kits that they used to sell that are like different patterns. And so these are all just patterned ones that I keep up here. And then this is like some of the magazine papers that I received in my magazines. And then there's room for me to add. And so this is the organizer that I organized, I pulled all of the pattern out of here. And now this is only solid colored papers in this one. I just reorganized, so I kind of kept what was open on the top, what's still sealed on the bottom. And now I kind of like have an idea of like how much I have, which is plenty. And so yeah, that came out really nice, but I love it. There was a 3-drawer plastic organizer, but it hung off of here and it like was starting to bend. So I just decided to move all the stuff that was in there into like my regular stash and put this here instead. And I love it. It was only $4. So yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys so much. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye.